this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put on or change the back paddles on your PlayStation 5 DualSense Edge controller. So I just have these back paddles on. I actually really like these as opposed to the other ones. Now it depends on which game I'm playing. So I was playing Helldivers and I like these, but I think I like the longer ones for Call of Duty. But to take them off, you kind of have to rock it back and then forward. So I'll rock it back, then forward, and boom, it'll come off. Now to place it in, you just have to align it here. So I'm going to place it a little bit forward, and then align it, and it should just go right in. So rock it back, forward, come out. Then to place it in, place it a little bit forward on an angle like this, and then align it in the square hole right here. And then place it in, rock it back, snap it forward, boom, just like that. So you can have one of each if you really want. So I'm just going to put that back over here and place this one in. Good. So try out both of them and see which ones you like. So these ones I do actually like. They're growing on me. And then I have control freaks on here. And to remove the thumbsticks, it's very easy. Just lift up and it'll snap off. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.